welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to draw for you different types of lollipop. Here I'm drawing the lollipops. Follow me and try to draw with me. This is very easy to draw lollipop. Draw 3 cute lollipops. Now it's time to color it. I'm using here brush pen color to color these beautiful lollipops. You can use any kinds of color as you like. Here I'm using light green color for the first lollipop middle part. Now I am using yellow color for the lower part. And here I am using light blue color for the lollipop's upper part. Here I am leaving some space to show it as real lollipop. Now I am using brown color for the handle. Here I am using multicolor for the lollipop's upper part. You can use any kinds of color as you like. It looks like James chocolate. Now I am using light pink color for this lollipop's upper part. Now I am using turquoise color for this lollipop's lower part. One of the green color shade is called turquoise color. Here I am using brown color for this handle. Here I am again using the light pink color for this lollipop's upper part. Now I am using the red color for the middle part. For the last one I am using deep pink color for this lollipop's lower part. And again I am using the brown color for this handle. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos.